Coffee Arabica. Its origins date back to about 1000 BC in the highlands of the Kingdom of Kefa, which is present-day Ethiopia. In Kefa, the Aroma tribe ate the bean, crushed it, and mixed it with fat to make spears the size of ping pong balls. The spears were consumed for the same reason that coffee is consumed today, as a stimulant. The plant species Coffee Arabica got its name around the 7th century when the bean crossed the Red Sea from Ethiopia to present-day Yemen and Lower Arabia, hence the term Arabica. Coffee Arabica is an evergreen shrub or small tree up to 5 meters tall when unpruned, with small glossy leaves. Leaves are simple, alternate, opposite, thin, dark green, shiny surface, fairly stiff, often developed into reproductive lateral branches. Flowers are produced in dense clusters along reproductive branches in the axils of the leaves. They're white, sweet-scented, star-shaped, and carried on stout by short peduncles. Immature berries are dull green. On ripening, the skin color changes through yellow to bright crimson. Each berry contains 2 seeds. Seeds are dried after removal of the silvery skin, and this is what produces the coffee beans of commerce. Coffee Arabica is fairly easy to grow, but demanding. It requires rich, free-draining acidic soil and part shade or damp sun. Water regularly in summer to prevent leaf damage in hot weather. Use a quality fertilizer regularly to produce strong growth. The best companion plants for coffee are potatoes, kale, beans, soybeans, groundnuts, bananas, and more. Don't plant with carrots, pumpkins, or cucumbers. Coffee Arabica accounts for 60% of the world's coffee production. The dry seeds are roasted, ground, and brewed to make one of the 2 most popular beverages globally. Coffee is widely used as a flavoring in ice cream, pastries, candies, and liqueurs. It has been used for centuries as a source of caffeine and caffeine-containing compounds.